Oh my god, Mum.
You're a nut.
Go, Mum.
Yeah. Put in there, how many you got?
1, 2, 3.
That's it. Good work. Now what are you going to make?
Milkshakes.
You got it in? Right, what do you need?
Milk.
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 You got the milk?
Look.
You going to put ice cream in there?
Yeah.
Yeah?
No, you said that. I put them. Let's go. Good wraps. Today.
Wraps in there, is it?
Alright.
Okay. Yeah, what do you need? You get it?
Oh my god. Oh my god, Mom.
It's hard work, this ice cream.
Oh my god, Mom. Is that you? Oh. Okay, that. Then.
Yeah, good work.
Then.
Oh, this is going to be interesting.
Oh my god, Mom.
You're putting some of that in?
Yeah, there.
Yeah. What's that?
There's no black.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
You actually said that really good, mate.
What the hell?
Give it a little shake. Oh, there we go.
There.
I think that might be enough. Goodness me.
Oh my god.
Fix this up. So turn around this way. There you go.
And that one.
Hold on.
Oh my god, Mom. Oh, where'd it go?
You reckon that's done?
Yeah.
Alright, well you better get a big cup for it, or you're going to drink it out of there.
Oh my god, Mom.
Alright, you better get a straw.
Sure. Alright.
A straw? You got a straw? That'll work.
Going.
Green one? Good work. How's it taste?
Oh, that's good.
It's good, is it?
Oh. Alright. And Mom. What the? Oh my god, Mom.
It looks good.
Your Mom.
One for Mum.
And your Mom.
And how many's Ryan got?
1, 2.
That's right. Good job, mate. Do you need sauce?
Oh no. Oh yeah, that's off, Mum.
Alright, get the sauce.
It's off.
Okay, we're going to make an act 4 while we eat our lunch, aren't we?
Mum. Yeah.
That's it. Good work.
Oh. Yeah.
Alright, have a taste test. Tell us what your sausage roll's like from Aldi. Is it good, is it? Alright, let's play Connect 4.